Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I managed to grab two more of these Michael's $10 grab bags, and they are the clearance ones. These aren't the Christmas ones yet. Those will probably be coming out in about a week, so I'll try to snag up some of those so we can see what goodies we can find in those too. So these ones are just going to be the random clearance items. And if you guys have saw my other boxes, I got 4 of them last time. This time I got 2 of them. So make sure if you guys aren't subscribed, you guys subscribed, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can see, you guys get notified as soon as I download a new video. So this one, like I said, is just going to be clearance items. So let's see what we got in this one. Oh wow, okay. So looks like we got some of the Cricut permanent smart vinyl. This is the vinyl where you don't need the mat to run it through your Cricut. So these are always kind of nice if you're doing bigger projects. You can get a bigger size with these. So it looks like we got 2 of this orange color, yellowish orange, 1 of the greens, and these are the bigger, these are the 13 by 12 foot ones. And then, oh, we did get a glitter one. This one's kind of nice. And these are permanent. Actually, oh, the green one, sorry. The green one is a removable vinyl. The yellow-orange one was permanent, and this gray glitter one is a permanent. And mind you guys, these are $10, or this one's actually $12 on clearance. The other ones were $10 on clearance. So these were a pretty good score for sure. And then we've got some removable matte vinyl, another removable matte vinyl, just in 2 different colors. And then oh, we did get some more of the smart vinyl. See, this is the smaller roll. These are the 3-foot rolls, and if you look, these are like $5 clearance, but this one is a pretty color. Purple is my favorite, so that was actually a pretty nice one. Oh, and then we got some sister vinyl. Ooh, it's HTV too. I really like their vinyl. Their HTV vinyl actually stays on really nice. And then sister vinyl is a lot more expensive. As you can see, these ones are $12. And then, oh, it looks like we got some sublimation sheets from Make Mark. This is the Michael's brand. And then we got some more removable smart vinyl. This is the smaller roll. It's a green color. And then some more infusible ink. Looks like a little tropical design and a blue one. And then some more of the green smart vinyl. And then, oh, we got a little canister thing. This must have been from their summer collection. I believe this is for like silverware or something. But I'll definitely find a use for it. And we got some more of the removable matte vinyl, guys. So basically this whole box was just Cricut stuff, which is kind of nice. I do have a Cricut, so which you guys have seen from the channel. So mind you, this was actually a pretty good score because, like I said, some of these were $10 on clearance alone. So yeah, guys, make sure to follow, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.